Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I am doing a engine detail on this Audi RS4 S4 4.2 V8 engine. I'm going to be hitting it with some degreaser. As you can see, it's really dirty. Before I get into that, hit subscribe down below, hit subscribe, give us a thumbs up, comments. Thanks for watching the channel. Check this out. So I'm hitting it with some degreaser. As you can see, getting all the dirt off it, working it in by hand. Believe it or not, this has 25,000 miles on the clock, which is very hard to believe when you look at this engine bay. Been on a farm, which has just been sitting around. These cars need to be driven. Now it will look like it's 25 on the clock, or actually less. When you rinse a car engine bay, you never use a jet wash. The reason being that is if you get water in the air intake, any part of the electrics, you can end up messing the electrics up. So the best thing to do is very fine water. I tend to put it on a spray. No pressure, just rinse.